You know how they say that robots will take over the world one day? Well, it turns out they're starting with your love life. That's right, forget about the headache of trying to impress a real-life girl, because the latest female robots are here to take your girlfriend's place. Now, before you start panicking, let me tell you that these robots are more than just pretty faces. They're smart, they're funny, and they're programmed to cater to your every whim. Plus, they won't judge you for eating that entire pizza by yourself or spending hours playing video games. Are you excited? Let's dive in. Number 10. Erica. Erica's creator, Dr. Hiroshi Ishiguro, is a renowned Japanese roboticist who has been working on creating robots that mimic human behavior and interactions for over a decade. And his latest creation, Erica, is the pinnacle of his work. Erica was developed using cutting-edge artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques. She's equipped with sensors that allow her to understand and respond to human emotions, and she's able to hold conversations with people just like a human would. But what sets Erica apart from other humanoid robots is her ability to learn and adapt. She's able to analyze human behavior and adjust her responses accordingly, which makes her interactions feel incredibly natural. Well, let's just say that she's not going to be cooking you dinner or giving you hugs anytime soon, but she can definitely provide companionship and engage in interesting conversations that might even surpass those with your current significant other. How's that? Number 9. RP Vita. First off, RP Vita was created by iRobot, the same company that brought us the Roomba vacuum cleaner. Yeah, you heard that right. The same company that made that little robot that helps you clean your floors also created this sophisticated android humanoid. But let me tell you, RP Vita is on a whole other level. The robot was designed with telemedicine in mind, meaning it can be used to remotely diagnose and treat patients in hospitals. This means that doctors can use RP Vita to interact with patients, even if they're not physically in the same room. That's some pretty impressive stuff, right? But that's not all. RP Vita is also equipped with autonomous navigation, which means she can move around a hospital or clinic without any assistance. It's like having a personal assistant who can take care of everything for you, except it's a robot. Now, this bot may not look like your ex, but it can definitely help you with your household chores. Number 8. UR10. The UR10 was created by a team of robotic experts led by Espen Ostergaard in Denmark. Their goal was to create a robot that could work collaboratively with humans and be flexible enough to perform a wide variety of tasks. And they did succeed. The UR10 is so advanced that it can learn new tasks just by watching a human perform them. That's right, no programming is required. And if you need to change the task, it's as simple as guiding the robot through the new steps. But that's not all. The UR10 is also incredibly safe to work with. It's equipped with sensors that detect when a human is nearby, and it will slow down or stop completely to avoid any potential collisions. So you don't have to worry about crashing into her in the middle of the night or something. Just kidding. Number 7. Sophia. Now, Sophia is not your average android, but a highly advanced humanoid robot developed by Hanson Robotics. David Hanson, her creator, has been working tirelessly for years to develop robotics that can be as intelligent as humans. He created Sophia as a platform to showcase his abilities in creating highly advanced robots. Sophia is one of the most highly advanced android humanoid robots of our time. She's been designed to look and act like a human with the ability to express emotions and hold conversations like a human being. Sophia is powered by artificial intelligence and has the ability to learn from her surroundings. This makes her highly adaptive to any situation she may find herself in. She can recognize faces and even maintain eye contact while holding a conversation with you. That's right, she can replace your girlfriend soon. But the only thing standing between that is that she's not for sale. You can wait more, right? Number 6. Yunko. This is another masterpiece from Professor Hiroshi Ishiguro. Yunko is designed to look and act just like a human being. She can make eye contact, move her head and body, and even smile and laugh. But what really sets her apart is her incredible intelligence. Yunko is equipped with advanced AI software that allows her to learn and adapt to new situations. She can recognize faces, remember conversations, and even understand emotions. But what really makes Yunko special is her ability to connect with people. She's programmed to be friendly, empathetic, and engaging, and she can hold conversations with ease. And because she's a robot, she never gets tired or grumpy, so she's always available to chat. Number 5. Jia. Chen Xiaoping Ping is a genius who has been working on Gia for several years now. His aim was to develop a robot that can simulate human emotions, and he's succeeded beyond anyone's wildest dreams. She looks so realistic that you won't be able to tell her apart from a human being, and her abilities, they are mind-blowing. Gia can not only recognize faces and voices, but she can also understand human emotions and respond accordingly. She can hold a conversation with you, and her responses will be so natural that you'll forget you're talking to a machine. But wait, there's more! Gia can even learn from her interactions with humans. The more you talk to her, the more she will understand your emotions, and the better she will be at responding to them. So if you're feeling lonely, or if you're tired of the drama that comes with having a girlfriend, Gia might just be the perfect solution for you. Number 4. Gitterbot. Gitterbot was created by a genius by the name of Dr. Emily Chen. Now, Dr. Chen is a renowned roboticist who has been pushing the boundaries of what robots can do for years. And boy, did she hit it out of the park with Gitterbot. So what makes Gitterbot so special? Well, first of all, she's incredibly lifelike. Her movements and mannerisms are so realistic that you'll forget she's not human. But that's not all. Gitterbot is also incredibly intelligent. She can hold conversations with you, learn from you, and even anticipate your needs. Does your girlfriend do that? Number 3. Atlas. This magnificent robot was developed by Boston Dynamics, a company known for pushing the boundaries of robotics technology. The team at Boston Dynamics has been working tirelessly to develop Atlas to make it one of the most advanced humanoid robots of our time. Now, Atlas is seriously impressive. This robot is capable of some seriously cool things. It can balance on one foot, perform backflips, and even jog. But that's not all, folks. Atlas can also navigate through rough terrain, pick up objects, and even do some light construction work. But sadly, Atlas can't be your girlfriend. Obviously, it doesn't look like it wants to be with you. And other than that, you can't get your hands on one. Number 2. Xinjiang Xin Xiaoming. Xin Xiaoming was developed by a team of scientists led by Dr. Yu Kai, founder of the company Horizon Robotics, and they really did an amazing job. Xin Xiaoming can read news articles, understand and analyze them, and even deliver them on air like a pro news anchor. She's incredibly articulate and can speak multiple languages with ease. It's mind-blowing, but you might be wondering, how does she look? Well, Xin Xiaoming is designed to look like a human being with realistic facial expressions and movements. I'm telling you, if you saw her on TV, you wouldn't even know she was a robot. Maybe after seeing her, you might have second thoughts. Number 1. Tesla's Optimus. These are the most highly advanced android humanoid robots of our time. Yes, made out of Elon Musk's mind, this one might really make a massive game. The Tesla Optimus has a sci-fi look with a body that can move and interact with its surroundings. It might not have facial features, but what really sets Optimus apart from other humanoid robots is its advanced AI capabilities. It's equipped with deep learning algorithms that allow it to learn and adapt to new situations, making it more intelligent over time. In fact, it's so intelligent that it can perform a wide range of tasks, from cooking and cleaning to even driving a car. Cool, right? Anyways, guys, that's our 10 bots that might stand a chance in your heart. What do you guys think? Do drop your views in the comment section below. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit that like button if you loved today's episode. We'll meet again in another episode. Until then, bye.